Welcome to the Arabic Fun Phonics Factory course, where your child's journey to mastering Arabic reading begins. Discover our immersive course curriculum, meticulously designed to make learning Arabic phonics fun and accessible for children of all ages. With a fascinating array of lessons, Module 1 alone offers 29 exciting videos for your child to master the phonetic sounds of the Arabic alphabet.
ولد begins with W.
And that's just the beginning of their enriching journey through our comprehensive course. In our curriculum, children learn to recognize Arabic letters and also practice writing them. See their excitement as they master each letter, paving the way for fluent reading.
J, 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 J. That's how you write J.
As your child progresses through our modules, they'll explore topics like vowel sounds, laying the foundation for Arabic reading.
K. E. Cat. Can you say cat?
And as they advance, they'll tackle the challenge of joining letters seamlessly.
Wata. Can you say wata? Fa. Ja. Ra. Fajara.
A unique feature of our course is the inclusion of words with pictures, enabling children to read and understand Arabic vocabulary. They'll unlock the joy of reading sentences with illustrations, adding an exciting dimension to their Arabic reading journey.
غسل الجمل الولد.
But that's not all. In addition to our engaging video lessons, your child will receive exclusive bonuses, including printable reading booklets and workbooks to reinforce their learning. As they progress, they'll earn badges for completing each module, keeping them motivated and engaged throughout their journey. Upon completion of the course, your child will receive a certificate marking their achievement in mastering Arabic phonics. With 11 comprehensive modules and a total of 140 video lessons, your child will have ample opportunities to learn and grow at their own pace. Track your child's progress easily with our percentage progression bar and intuitive icons indicating completed, incomplete, and remaining lessons. And best of all, access to our course materials is as simple as logging into our user-friendly website, making learning convenient and hassle-free. Join us on this exciting journey where every milestone is celebrated and every lesson brings your child closer to fluency in Arabic reading. Don't let your child miss out on the unique learning experience with Arabic Fun Phonics Factory. Gift them with joyful memories of Arabic reading to cherish for life. Start today and let the adventure begin.